Good day, everyone. My name is Justin Antalian from the Bachelor of Physical Education, and today I'm going to discuss about the pitch and melody. So the first one, what is pitch? Pitch is how high or low a note sounds. So there are 7 notes, and each note represents a sound or a pitch. So, for example, a low note, do, and the high note, do. So I'm gonna start from low note to high note by doing do re mi. Do re mi fa sol la ti do, and going back to from high to low note, do ti la so fa mi re do. Yeah, that's the thing, and that is pitch. How about the melody? The melody is the tune. It is a part of music, of the music that you often find yourself singing along with. So, it is a succession of pitches in rhythm. For example, if I'm going to sing, if you ever hear this sound, so you probably have a clue or already know what it is. It is happy birthday. Okay, it is happy birthday. And the next thing, it is lupang hinirang. Yes, and that's the melody. It is a succession of pitches in rhythm. Okay, just remember, a melody is made up of high and low pitch notes played one after the other. Catchy melodies often repeat the same series of notes over and over. Okay, I hope you learned something from me from this discussion. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Stay safe and God bless. Goodbye.